Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to download music on iPhone for free and listen offline. So let's get started. Firstly, go to any web browser. So we are tapping on the Safari for iPhone. So inside Safari, search for the Pixabay website. Now simply change this images option into the music by simply tapping on the music icon available there, or you can simply slide and you will get to see the music option available from the highlights. Simply slide the above option and you can see the music. Tap on it and now it is changed into music. From there, scroll down and search for any music. We are choosing any random music for now. You can even search from the search address bar as well, but let's choose a random music to download for a while. So you can see the download icon available there and a download option will appear on your screen. Now simply tap on the download and it is downloaded. Now all you have to do is tap on the download icon available in the search address bar at the bottom, and there you can see the downloads. Tap on it and here you can find the audio. Now you can simply save it to the files or on your phone or anywhere, or you can simply share it to your friends as well. So that is it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.